Pangit na.
Hi guys, kain. Ang ulam po natin ay tinulang manok kasi malamig na panahon, so nagtitinula po kami. Si Rani naman makakain siya ng chicken kasi wala naman siyang pork. So, tinula yung ulam namin, malunggay at saka yung papaya. Kain guys. Thank you Lord for the food. That's it. Magprito din si Rani ng timpe. Masarap yan. Lapchung kasi itong hindi kasi alam ni Rani na lapchung para itong rice, ang pangit tuloy siya sa sabaw. It's not much with the soup. Ay. Sarap. Ay, naku Ran. It's not much with the soup, Ran. But sayang naman. Parang matabang. Sabi ni Sarah, ano daw? Matabang? Mahilig ako sa asin. Hindi ako makakain Hindi ako makakain pag walang asin. Kaya dapat laging may asin yun, guys. May katabi akong asin. Harap kaso hindi lang na-match yung kanin ko sa sayang din naman itatapon yung rice. Mahangin ngayon dito, grabe. Ano dyan guys? Anong ulam natin dyan? Sa pamilya ko din sa Mindanao. Sa inyong sudan. Pag na mo ka ng gabi diha. Mutan o gabi dahil naibulad, okay na. Mas substansya na. Kumakain ba kayo ng chicken feet, guys? Hala, may kuko pa. Kalimutan putulin. Yan, hello. It's not like. Sarap. Pag kumakain ako ng chicken feet, ninanamnam ko. It's not itching.
Yan.
Your eyes? Pumula ka sa mata ni Rani. And can I try? Half only.
Just get one lang.
No, I don't like. Maybe I don't like.
Na.
Where is the beans?
There. You like this one? This one.
I like the
beans.
thick one.
That's good tactic talk.
Good, huh? But But I remember before I don't like this one.
Different ano.
Maybe different cooking. Different kind of cook.
Different ano. Hindi yung red yan.
Mmm.
Nadamantas kami.
You make it super. Finish that. Today is 20?
19. 19. Tomorrow 20.
Si Rani sabi niya, kasi pinagalitan kasi kami ng lagi. Sumisigaw siya. Kasi gusto ko siyang, sa lalim ng niya, buto niya. Ano ba yung utak or marrow? Kain pa ako ng isang chicken feet. Run, you're done? Hala, si Sarah hindi nilinis to. It's dirty. Ew.
Wala yung joke.
Lagyan ko na ng sabaw, sayang. Siguro namatay na yung germs. Tawa siya niya. And what is this also, Ran?
Ano, macaron. Ano, put first in the freezer.
Oh, very hard. Luto to. Kaka mix ng luto ni Rani, guys. Ay, naku, Ran. I did not feel my tinola talaga because of my rice. Sarap. Sa Bisaya, ang tinola is tinola din ba? Or sinabawang manok. Sinabawang manok ata? Tula. Kamu Yeah. And is that a mango?
Yeah,
Why the mango is there?
because I sliced that no.
This morning?
Yeah, this is I keep it.
Say hello to my vlogs.
Hello, bloods. Hey guys.
Why is only half the face?
Hello guys. Did you see me?
So what time mom siya? Ano later? Ang sarap! Tinola is the best. Oh, you get angry. Ran, can I have siw-siw rice lang, Ran? I want to eat more, guys, but only siw-siw na lang. Ang dami naming kanin. Okay, enough. Thank you.
Oh, welcome Katavia.
Welcome ka, Jenny. Thank you, Karani. Yes, ka, Jenny. Oh.
Gentula.
Tawa lang kami, guys. Pagdating ng amo, guys, sigaw-sigaw na din yun si ma'am. Para kaming mga ano, ganun talaga, guys, kasi nangamuhan tayo, so. Bilis maubos yung sabaw kaysa. Tama na to. Naku, Jenny, nasaan na yung diet mo, Day? Basta tinula, guys. Grabe. Sarap ng kain ko. Kain na kayo dyan. Sarap. O, diba? Tapos sa tissue natin. Sakit ng kamay ko. I'm very full. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, sa grasya. Grabe. Sarap. Sana lahat ng mga tao may pagkain. Dessert tayo, guys.
The dessert.
You like Ran? You like?
Like what?
This one.
More. That's sweet, but it's not my
It's
type.
not very sweet.
No, the taste is not my type.
Then later, Mom, just coming. Ano na naman, copy with Ma'am Poy. Mag-dessert muna ako, guys. Ano ba to? Yemas? Yema. Tapos, ano lang ng konti. Back to work na. Ay, ano ba to? Ayaw ata magpakain. Wala na, sinira ako. Sinira ako. Ayaw ba magpakain? Ba't mali-mali yung pagbukas natin? Last night, I'm keeping coughing in Mom's room.
What? I saw your black color there, and then the small
Pillow! I said, where is my small pillow?
What is my pillow in there?
I said, when I transfer in Mom's room, where is my baby pillow? Then I said, it's still there because I'm keeping coughing kasi like almost like 6 o'clock or not yet 6 o'clock. I transfer in my room.
It's okay, man. Me, I waiting because maybe Mom said, what time now you will start? Sometimes it's like 4 o'clock I wake up. I said, it's o'clock, I want to go.
That's why. Natutulog kasi kami guys sa kwarto ni Mom. Salitan kami ni
Oh my
Rani.
goodness.
Guys, bye-bye na guys. Kasi mag-work na kami ha. Bye. No, I upload this